What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is John Paul Investing. Today marks 1 year since I have decided to take the leap of faith onto YouTube and share my thoughts as an investor with you guys. It's exactly 1 year today since I actually posted my first video on Nano Dimension. Thank you guys for also, sharing your thoughts and enlightening me on this stock. Also, I want to say thanks for giving me a platform to talk about a company like Nano Dimension here on YouTube that I can share with you guys, along with my own personal thoughts that I have developed over a few years. I always wanted a platform where I could share my thoughts and not really keep them bottled up in my head. So YouTube has been a huge blessing in my life, and I'm not sure what exactly I would be doing if it wasn't for YouTube, besides doing this stuff on my own and keeping everything, to myself. The channel has definitely made some progress as far as production quality, because I was using a Logitech webcam. Now I'm on an iPhone 12. Just like anything, you got to invest in it. So I think these little investments that I'm making into the channel are going to slowly improve it over time. So again, guys, thank you for sticking around, and I will continue to bring you guys excellent content from here forward. So aside from having just a Patreon group and a Discord server, I also activated YouTube memberships, so you guys have a say in what videos I produce based on the polls that I give to my members only. And as far as YouTube memberships go, I'm also going to activate member-only chats for live streams in the future as well. So both the YouTube memberships and the Discord server have their perks. If you guys want to join the Discord group, you'll have access to a variety of live chats with other members in the group who are, invested in stocks like Nano Dimension and others. You'll have access to our morning briefings, and it is a place to get my thoughts immediately on the go, and if you want to message me at any point. However, if you're more of the live stream kind of person, I'll also have YouTube memberships, so that way you guys can have priority chat in the live streams, and you'll also be able to ask more questions on the spot in a video format where I can actually pull up new tabs and research for you on the spot. So if that fits more your style, then I would highly recommend you guys joining the YouTube memberships. But if you guys are just interested in more just like kind of morning briefings and what do we expect to happen here tomorrow in market open, is there any news I might have missed and I just need it quickly, then I would highly recommend the Discord server instead, and that would be through the Patreon group. These two things are the main way I monetize my channel. So if you guys are wondering how I'm able to even make these videos for you and do the research, well, this combined with Google AdSense is pretty much supporting me. So yes, I am monetizing the channel in ways that I possibly can. Same way you guys value your time, I need to value mine also. So that being said, let's see what kind of progress over the last year Nano Dimension has made up to today. So from close September 30th, 2020, when I made that first video, Nano Dimension was around $2.86 at close on September 30th. Through this roller coaster that we experienced from September then up until now, we have essentially doubled our money if we would have bought something on that day and then held it through today. If you were able to time the market at any point in time and you bought it from that first run up and decided to hold it through the end of January, maybe February, you could have maybe quintupled your money. A lot of you guys in my comments were talking about buying and selling the share offerings. A lot of you guys are raking in a ton of money on this run up in Nano Dimension stock. But let's say you didn't have that privilege of perfectly timing the market. Well, you're still up around 100% from the time that I made that first video. They've also had a plethora of developments in their business besides raising a ton of money. They've hired a ton of new management in their company. They had customers upgrading to their new flagship models. They sold some of their machines to the Academy of Engineering Physics in the Pacific Rim. They've gotten tons of press on Bloomberg International on the Red Chip Money Report. They appointed new directors in artificial intelligence like Dr. Eli David into the board of directors. They also sent the first RF antenna made by Additive Manufacturing of Electronics to the International Space Station. They acquired two new companies, both Nanofabrica and DeepCube, and a series of partnerships and joint ventures for further progressing in the additive manufacturing space for electronics. So 1 year and 208 videos later, it has been a very busy year for myself and especially for Nano Dimension. This video is not a technical analysis video at all. I just wanted it to be more of a what has happened in the past, 365 days. I also want to remind you guys that I do have a free newsletter. If you go to johnpaulinvesting.substack.com, it is a free newsletter that anyone can subscribe to. So if you don't want to join either the Discord group or you don't want to join the YouTube memberships because that is not, up your alley, well, instead you could have the Substack. And this newsletter, again, is free, and you can have any important news directly to your inbox, totally free of any spam. I will not spam you guys. And the last bit of value I would like to provide for you guys is 2 free stocks from WeBull if you do decide to open an account with them using my my affiliate link. All you have to do is open an account with them and deposit $100. They'll give you 2 free stocks from opening the account and depositing the $100. You can then withdraw that money and you could sell the stocks and do whatever you want with that money. Not only are you pretty much guaranteed to make, 20 or 30 bucks, but it is also another way to support the channel. But anyways, that is it for this video, guys. I want to say thank you for everyone, once again, who has stuck around the past year, and also any of my newer viewers who are getting any value from the content I create here. Now, at the time I'm recording this, I haven't quite figured it out yet, but I will put the names of everyone in the Patreon groups and the YouTube membership groups. However I decide to do it, your names will be on screen, and I would like to say, again, thank you to all the contributors to this channel. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.